guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will unbox the Skywing 48-inch Extra NG. Super nice. That's the first wing. Super nice, pre-hinged, pre-sealed, quick wing connector from factory. Here we have the wing tube, awesome, slides in perfectly. SFGs, so force generators. And that we have the thumb screws in here. So I'll be a bit gently with the screws, and that's already onto the rudder. The rudder with CA hinges already glued in position, so you have to only glue it on the fuselage. And onto the elevator, 3 hinge caps sealed from factory, super nice. I like the color. We have the accessory parts like spinner, wheel pans. Also included a fairing for the tail wheel. It's typically for the NG. We'll mount it here in the back, fuselage for the tail wheel, a cover or something like that. So now to the special part, or no. We head on with the cowling. The details over here, and also the small things. To the fuselage, as all Skywing models, we have the carbon reinforcement basswood or plywood like construction over here. Also with the pretty neat quick wing connectors or self connectors. Also we have the wing connectors over here, super easy, super nice. Cushions already in the fuse for rudder and elevator, and also for the wings.